Hi everyone, it's Paul Feuerstein at CDA, here with Ryan Solizano. Ryan, how you doing?
Doing well, thank you.
The company's called Pac-Dent, if you don't know them, Pac-Dent, and they've been really taking charge with a lot of printing materials. I mean, you have an array of printing materials, but this is something new here, isn't it? RapidCeram?
Yep, so RapidCeram is our latest ceramic-filled resin, just over 51%. We're offering it in the 300 gram configuration size. Nice. So this is primarily directed for chairside use. Not to say that it can't be used with the laboratory space, but in terms of printing, in some printing systems, you can get up to 2 times faster print versus our Titan sculptured 2 materials. So it's pretty significant for delivering chairside temporaries.
It's pretty robust though.
Yeah, absolutely. So
this is ceramic filling too.
Yep. So in terms of the flexural strength, we're looking at about 160 megapascals of
That's
strength.
pretty good.
Yeah, so it's pretty substantial.
I mean, that's a lot better than the stuff you squirt out of a bottle.
Exactly. So, yep.
And obviously, since it's digital, you can do a digital wax up on the computer to do.
Yep. So you can use 3Shape, exocad systems. So it's really in terms of design to printing to finishing, you're looking at about up to 45 minutes, which is pretty fast.
And you can do a full arch. You can do one tooth. You can actually do one tooth too.
Exactly. Yep.
So I mean, here's your 3 unit bridges, folks. That to me, that's we still do. Everything is an implant these days.
Yep.
You can do 3 unit bridges.
Yep.
So this would be great for 3 unit bridge temporaries. They would last a fair amount of time. It's a reinforced ceramic. So.
Yep. Exactly.
Great.
Yeah.
All right, great. Thanks.
Thank you.